This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
This would be the template. This is a demo website that we've set up. So as of now, template is not fixed. So let's inspect our CSS to see what controls the header. Okay, now that has elements fixed, but has now made the menu smaller. Let's try this. Okay. The menu is fixed now, but as soon as you enter this section, it disappears. That may mean that the menu is not in front. Let us try to control whether the menu is a top or bottom element. Okay, that works. Z-index essentially sets in what position an element should be located in. So let us copy this into our CSS. Go here, we go to design, go to custom CSS, we comment our CSS, say menu ends, and then we save our CSS. Now we're going to view the site again. And there you go, using the Brian templates, you can have your menu fixed at the top.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.